feel to be connected with nature every day? In a world that is always moving, there's a place where calmness and balance comes together. Grow with every step you take and become an inspiration of natural vitality. Growth happens outside your comfort zone. At Good Nature Vibe, our hearts connect through love for you and nature, supporting you with products that leave healthy footprints. Every choice you make has the power to impact the world around you. We are committed to sustainability and ethical practices. Our natural supplements are designed to support your body and mind, giving you the strength to achieve your goals and grow into the best version of yourself. Join our tribe that cares about people and our planet. Healthy you is a healthy planet. It's not just a feeling, it's your call. Step right into it. Good Nature Vibe. Relax. It's a nature vibe.